Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode. And today we are at Germania Park for the VW and Porsche Reunion. So I've already been in there, walked around. Really cool show. Got a lot of really cool cars for you all to see here in just a minute. Maybe even picked up a few parts for my So anyway, let's get to the cars. $5 goodness.
This engineer, that's wide. I love engineer, better and solid. Yeah, it is. It's supposed to be that way. It's going to be finished.
This looks beautiful.
But even not that far right. The finish is off. What these do, LBP.
This will probably be first.
Guys, a champagne brown tan. I kind of remember that car, but he was interested. I was interested in what the story was because I went to Germany and drove it. And so
Okay, yeah, him and just the George.
An example at least. You are so a big girl now. I saw Daddy pulling up. You get a fun ride on your birthday. Happy birthday, 6. How old are you? 2. Wow. In the whole wide world. Welcome. See you later. Bye-bye.
You know it's your car. Harder and harder to get that on the ground. That's a whole one. could do that. Take them out. Exactly.
And he upgraded to 2.3 displacement.
So there you have it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. This is going to be the outro. We're about to head out. So it's pretty cool stuff in there. The sun, I picked a really bad place to do the outro. I should probably head back over there where I was just at in the shade, but we're about to head out, and I heard that 911 coming, so I had to had to hurry up and get the camera on for a second. But anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you later.